On Thanksgiving, deep frying your turkey sounds lip-smacking. However, many people believe deep-fried foods just aren't healthy. Now, a high-tech device promises to make fried foods like these not only tastier, but better for your health. Dr. Kim Mulvihill gives us a taste.
Who doesn't love French fries?
I do love French fries, but I know they're bad for me.
Bad in that they're deep-fried in oil, adding both calories and fat. But now a new device inserted into deep fryers are cooking up what may be healthier fried foods.
Well, the fries were very good. They were not at all greasy.
What's behind the fresher taste? When cooking oil is heated, it degrades quickly and clumps together. But when hot oil travels through this device and around the pellets, the tiny pores on the pellets don't add anything new to the oil. They just keep the oil lump-free, and less oil stays on the food.
We were a little skeptical, to be very honest, in the very beginning, and we quickly found out that it really is all true.
The tiny pores on the pellets were created using nanotechnology. This fast-growing technology is all about thinking small, extremely small. It involves creating new materials by tinkering at the molecular level, making products lighter, faster, more efficient, even more durable. The FDA believes nanotechnology is not inherently unsafe. Margaret Taylor is an expert on nanotechnology at UC Berkeley. While she wants more research and information available to the public, she doesn't want the technology banned.
There's some environmental benefits to it, possibly, because you can do stuff with less.
And that's just what restaurants are finding out. They've seen a big drop in oil costs and energy bills.
The biggest benefit is that we're able to extend the life of the oil.
We have cut our costs between 40 and 50% on our oil.
And because of cost savings, some have already switched to more expensive but healthier oils. Dr. Kim Mulvihill, CBS5 Health.